Okay, here's the clothes store. Let's go. Let's shop till we drop. Come on. Yes. How can I help you ladies out? Well, we just need like cute formal outfits, that's all. Your best. Yeah. No, wait. Let's just go. Sorry, ma'am. Ooh, look at these. Oh, yeah. Get over here. Lauren, over here. What? OMG. We have to get these right now. Oh, perfect summer outfit. Summer? What? No, you don't. I want that outfit. Oh, no. Okay. Get.
Work. You see me heavy work. You see me do me dirt.
Oh, those knee braces did not help one bit. I'm leaving this place. Cute. Oh my G. Oh my god. Oh my dog. Okay, we need to buy this. Duh. Look, we should buy that purse over there too. Your totes, right? Let's get it. Here, put the stuff in there. Okay. This bow is too cute. I need to wear it right now. Let me go put it on. Okay. What? Oh my dog. I need to get those. Oh dear. Or do these look good? Ma'am, there's been some serious stuff going on over here. We've heard that you and your friend have been hitting people. Ma'am, that's unacceptable. Get out my store now. Give us all the items back. Put them all on the racks now. What's going on here? You're kicked out. Get out now. Look at this big of a mess you guys made. Get out. We are not getting out of this store. Come on, let's go. Alright, you won. So rude. Hurry up, Mia. Come on. I'm basically carrying everything. Just grab a bag. Mia, cooperate. Sorry. You left things behind, you know. Let's go. Oh, this is so heavy. Well, don't just stand there. Yeah, I need your help. Come over here. Alright. Okay, let me put this in a bag. This is all gonna fall out. Better. Okay. Scoot over these. Perfect. No. Okay. Are you ready? Of course. Come on. Okay. Help me. Okay, we're in the changing rooms. Now we have to get dressed. So, come on, Lauren. What are you waiting for? I'm here. Alright, let's get up this bag. This has the main stuff in it.